So this is the boardwalk at the Rockaways. We're at the beach picking up Dawn and Jake, and this is where the boardwalk should be and used to be, right here with all these planks. That's where the boardwalk was. This is where the boardwalk is now. Currently the boardwalk has been pushed. It looks like a roller coaster, yeah, it really does look like a roller coaster. I don't even know how I'm gonna walk this. I mean, as you can see, I'm even leaning now. Sorry for the juggling, I just can't walk. Whoa. Okay, so this is the boardwalk. Over there is one of the beach house buildings. And yeah, what he said. This is, man, this is, oh, sugar. This is a scaffolding unit, all of it's just done. This is an old folks home, an elderly house. They came in, this is part of the boardwalk. Right here is part of the boardwalk. That tree was vertical.
You know them little ones, what they call them?
This is nuts.
It's one of them with Jerry